Now let's solve example number 2. Again, we write it vertically. So we have 5, we're going to write 5, 0, 4, 2 minus 1, 8, 5, 6. Now let's just subtract this number. Again, you see it's arranged in order form, from units to tens to thousand. So 2 minus 6. Now you can see it is impossible. We cannot do that. So what we need to do, we need to borrow 1 from here. 1 from here. That 1 we actually borrow is 10. So that 10, if I add it to this one become 12. So 12 minus 6 is what? We have what? 6. Now what is left here? 3. You've already borrowed 1. That 1 that you actually borrowed was 10. So what is left here now will be left is what? 3. So 3 minus 5 is impossible. Now you come to this place to borrow 1. That 1 you actually borrow is 10. If you come here, you see there is 0. So there's no number there. So you go to the 5 and borrow. So if you borrow that 1 from here, which is 10, it will come here. This one become what? This one become what? 10. 10 plus 0 is what? 10. Then you borrow from this 10 now to this place. Remember, remaining 3. Here was 3 that is left. So that 1 that you borrow from here to this one, you add it to this one, so it become what? 13. So 13 minus 5, you get what? 8. Now remember, it was 10 here, you also borrow it. Now what will be left here is what? 9. So this one be 9 minus 8. It will give us what? 1. So what is left here? 4. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Now this becomes what? The answer. I repeat. 2 minus this, impossible. You borrowed 1. That 1 you actually borrowed is 10 because they are all in base 10. So that 10 plus this plus 2 gives us 12. So 12 minus this 6 is what gives you to give us 6. Remember what is left here because you are able to borrow 1. Yes, 3. Again, use the same method. You just be adding that 1 you borrow, you combine it to 10, you add it, then you subtract it. Now this will be your answer. Now the hard part of this subtraction is the borrowing. So if you don't understand it, pause the video again, rewind it, and watch the next. Now watch the video. Now let's go to example number 3.